Let's spend some time talking about assessment within N2 Math. Assessment opportunities in N2 Math offer a complete picture of student progress. And when we engage in those assessments in the online platform Ed, you and your students are going to have access to some really powerful data and reporting options. Now, that assessment package all begins with the HMH growth measure. This research-based online adaptive benchmark assessment works for students in grades K through 12 and delivers a valid and reliable data for monitoring students' math progress over time. We administer the HMH growth measure 3 times over the course of the year, and that helps us measure and gauge student progress. Remember, in the reports section of Ed, you'll find some really great actionable reporting features. Now let's talk about our program level assessments for N2 Math. These begin with the diagnostic Are You Ready assessments. These assessments are found at the beginning of every module and help us determine student readiness for that module and can be assigned online to power actionable reports. These Are You Ready assessments happen to be one of my favorite features of N2 Math because they really inform my instruction. You know those times during the lesson or the module when you can tell students don't have the prior knowledge that they need for the new learning? Well, that can really slow us down. That can really get in the way and impede our new learning. So we use the Are You Ready task and the accompanying differentiation options to fill in those gaps before we begin the new learning. Now, the module review formative assessments are found in the student edition at the end of every module to determine whether students are ready for the module test. You can assign these throughout or just right there at the end of the module. Module tests are summative assessments administered at the end of every module to help us evaluate student mastery of concepts. Again, you can assign these online to power actionable reports. They're also customizable when you assign them online. Lesson level formative assessment data is automatically collected across a variety of student activities, such as the check understanding, which happens in the middle of our lesson design, the on your own tasks, and the homework, which happen near the end of the lesson. And of course, when completed online on Ed, all of this data helps us make informed instructional decisions so that we can differentiate and make the learning more meaningful for each of our individual students.